manufactures visual management and 5S solutions for production and operations facilities for a wide range of customers from an array of industries and sectors, including automotive and logistics. Melo is consistently looking for new ways we can evolve and develop our products, ensuring we remain competitive and are offering our customers the very latest in design and technology. We wanted to access additional advice from professional teams who can make well-informed but unbiased recommendations for where we can digitalize our products and even in-house processes based on what we want to achieve.
As lead partner for the CW4.0 Project, the Virtual Engineering Centre has a fantastic reputation for supporting digital transformation across industries, where we have been supporting businesses and SMEs like Melo for over 10 years. The Virtual Engineering Centre's industrial digitalisation teams explored several different routes for different technologies that would align perfectly with the objectives of Melo, taking into consideration costs, implementation, management and the upskilling of staff. The Internet of Things, IoT, and cloud platforms were identified as the best fit for Melo, introducing e-ink technology for developing digital displays to bring notifications and alerts to life in real time for not only their customers, but their teams in-house as well.
The support we have received from the CW4.0 teams at the Virtual Engineering Centre has been invaluable to us. It has been fantastic to work with an organization through the exploration of the possible and to really understand what opportunities await us. We can now support our customers in gaining and retaining the attention of workers, in addition to helping to eliminate old-fashioned ways of working. This has enhanced our offering to customers and diversified our products range, adding value to not only our service, but continued relationships with our clients.
Contact our friendly team today to see how we can help your business through hands-on support for the integration of Industry 4.0 technology.